Hi, everyone. It is February 15th. Surgery was 11 days ago. I mentioned yesterday in my vlog that I had a doctor's appointment. Today, I have had the sling off all day. I got up this morning. When I got out of bed, I took the sling off so I could take a shower, brush my teeth, all the normal maintenance things, and I've just left it off. I sat down on the couch with the water circulator, the cold water ice on my shoulder for a very long time. It feels pretty good right now. I am sitting with it, crossed here across my chest, but in no discomfort whatsoever. Sleeping was tough last night, though. I woke up a few times because I think I'm sleeping and I'm rolling around, and now it's becoming a problem of moving too much, and it just wakes me up because it will hurt. Then I go back to sleep. So I suppose, over time that'll pass. That is by far the worst thing going on here. Physical therapy again next week. These updates are really minimal right now because it's been a very easy process overall. Don't be afraid of that. Your mileage may vary, of course. I hear about some people that have a lot of pain, but my pain has been minimal, and we'll just hope that trend continues. I think that's it for now. I'll give an update tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be very similar to today's. These are getting to be very boring, and I guess this is the way to do it. I imagine physical therapy will start to challenge me as they start to amp things up a little bit on me as I progress, but we'll see. Time will tell. Looking forward to it, and looking forward to getting back to normal. I've got some things I need to do. It's been snowing. We had to hire somebody to clear our driveway, which is something I really enjoy doing. I love firing up the snowblower. I would do the whole neighborhood if I had time, but I certainly can't do that right now. That would be a bad idea. So we actually hired somebody to clear the driveway. That's it. Talk to you again another time. Bye.